Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Black& Decker portable air conditioner turns on but the heater mode refuses to warm the room, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when colder temperatures start showing up. Sometimes the unit runs normally but only pushes cool or neutral air, while other times heat mode appears selected but nothing really changes. A problem like this can happen because of temperature settings, airflow restrictions, mode confusion, or temporary system delays that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major is wrong with the unit, there are a few simple things worth checking because many heating problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Black& Decker portable air conditioner heater not working. Try these. Step 1. Check the temperature setting on the Black& Decker portable air conditioner and raise it above the room temperature. Step 2. Confirm the Black& Decker portable air conditioner is placed in heater mode and not cooling or fan mode by mistake. Step 3. Clean the filter inside the Black& Decker portable air conditioner if airflow feels weaker than expected. Step 4. Disconnect power from the Black& Decker portable air conditioner briefly to refresh system operation. Step 5. Make sure the Black& Decker portable air conditioner has enough open space around it for proper airflow. Step 6. Test heater mode on the portable air conditioner and confirm warm air begins coming through normally.